They'll tell you she doesn't care, that you should just move on. But what if I told you that she does care? That her silence isn't strength, it's uncertainty. She's not ignoring you because she's completely over it. She's staying quiet because she's watching, waiting to see if you're still caught in her loop, still craving her attention, still reacting on her terms. And the moment you slip up, the moment you respond the wrong way, you prove her right. That ends now. If you're here, it means you're finished playing her game. You're done wasting energy on someone who feeds off your reactions. You're about to learn the one move that flips the script, completely silence. Not passive silence, but deliberate, calculated, unshakable silence. The kind that shifts the balance of power and makes her start questioning everything. This isn't just about relationships. It's about control, respect, and discipline. It's about how you respond when someone tests you. Because once you master this, you stop chasing anyone ever again. Before we begin, write in the comments, "I will never chase again." Tell the world, but more importantly, remind yourself. Every day, millions of men fall into the same trap. The person they care for suddenly grows distant, and instantly, the dynamic changes. They start checking their phone non-stop, overthinking every message, replaying every silence, and every single time they react exactly as expected, they reach out first. The truth? Relationships run on power shifts. The second you react, you hand over your leverage. The second you chase, your value drops. And the moment you let someone see how deeply their absence affects you, you give them total control. The most powerful people in business, in relationships, in life, never react emotionally. They watch. They wait. And when someone plays games, they do the one thing that rattles the other person the most. They go silent. 1. She expects you to react. She starts pulling back, slower replies, less interest, cancels plans. Yet she still makes sure you see her online, see her out, see her looking her best. She's baiting you, waiting for that crack in your composure, waiting for you to ask, "What's wrong?" The moment you do, she wins. She knows she still has you hooked, that she can keep pushing and you'll keep chasing. And most men crumble here. They double text, apologize for nothing, try to fix what doesn't need fixing. That doesn't build respect, it destroys it. A woman only tests a man she hasn't fully decided on. She wants to see if your confidence depends on her validation. The second you show her that it does, she pulls away harder. But if you don't react, if you remain unbothered, keep living as though her absence changes nothing, that's when her certainty cracks, doubt creeps in, and doubt changes everything. 2. Your silence shifts the power. Silence forces her to face herself. No reassurance, no confirmation, no attention. Now, she's checking her phone more than you are. She's wondering why you haven't reached out. She's replaying old messages, looking for where she lost control. She may pretend she's fine, post pictures, go out, laugh louder. But underneath, she's waiting for proof that she still matters to you. And when that proof never comes, the panic begins. She might send a safe, casual text just to test you, but most men see that and jump in immediately, proving they were still waiting. She gets her answer and disappears again. The real power move? No reply at all. If she truly values you, she won't drop breadcrumbs. She'll make it clear. 3. She starts doubting herself. In her mind, you were always going to be there. Her silence was supposed to pull you in, not push you away. But now, the longer you say nothing, the more she wonders if she misjudged you. The mind can't stand uncertainty. And now she's feeling exactly what she expected you to feel: tension, curiosity, fear, of loss. She starts quietly checking your world, watching your social media, looking for signs, asking her friends what you're up to. She might test the waters with small moves, an old photo like, a vague comment, even a wrong message sent to you. And the weak man grabs it instantly, giving her all the clarity she wanted. But understand, curiosity isn't commitment. Watching isn't chasing. If she truly regrets losing you, she won't be subtle. She'll be clear. 4. When she tries to pull you back. When her uncertainty turns into fear, she'll test you harder. It could be through messages, mutual friends, or by trying to trigger jealousy. The goal is simple: get a reaction. And here's the truth. If you react, the game resets and she's back in control. If you don't, she's forced to make a choice, either truly step forward or accept that you're gone. Only a woman who genuinely regrets her choice will fight to prove she values you. Anything less is just ego and pride. 5. Mastering emotional detachment. The real transformation happens when you stop needing her or anyone to validate you. When your mood isn't dictated by someone else's attention. When you're solid whether they stay or go. Detachment isn't coldness, it's strength, it's self-respect, it's freedom from being controlled by someone else's actions. Once you master it, you're untouchable, not just with her, but in every area of life, business, friendships, opportunities, because people can't manipulate a man who isn't desperate for approval. They respect him. They value him. They know they can't replace him. And here's the twist. By the time she realizes you were that man all along, you'll have already moved on. And that's the real victory.